away.
Wow!
Where did it go?
Behind that bush!
I can't find it.
That's okay, Grandpa. I'll lend you mine.
Thanks, Tip. But I'd rather not leave that piece of paper in the branches of the bush, because it might bother the animals.
But no one can even see it.
We can't see it, but it might disturb the little creatures living in that bush.
How?
Just the other day, I freed the entrance to the house of a small animal. A piece of paper was blocking it, and he was unable to go back inside.
Huh?
Found it. Tip?